Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide. In this quick 2025 guide, I'll explain exactly what Bizum is and how to register and start using it step by step. Let's jump right in. Step 1. What is Bizum? Bizum is a free instant payment service available through many Spanish banks. It lets you send and receive money using just a phone number, no need to know an IBAN. It's fast, secure, and super convenient, perfect for splitting bills or paying friends. Step 2. Check if your bank supports Bizum. Bizum works through banking apps like Santander, BBVA, CaixaBank, Bankinter, and others. Make sure your bank supports Bizum before trying to register. Step 3. Download or open your bank's app. Open your bank's official mobile app and log into your account. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Step 4. Go to the Bizum section. Inside your banking app, look for Bizum in the menu, usually under Transfers or Payments. Tap it to start the setup. Step 5. Link your phone number. Bizum works by connecting your phone number to your bank account. Just follow the prompts to confirm your number and agree to the terms of use. Step 6. Complete registration. Once confirmed, you'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter it and you're done. Bizum is now active and ready to use. Tip: you can only link one phone number to one bank account at a time. If you want to switch banks, you'll need to deactivate Bizum from the old one first. And that's how to register and use Bizum in 2025. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy banking tutorials. See you in the next one.